So how could you possibly get involved with a complicated legal case? Hi, I'm Joe Williams. I'm a mesothelioma trial attorney, and I want to tell you that getting involved with asserting your legal rights as a victim of mesothelioma is not as complicated for the victim as you might think. There's one basic involvement that a victim of mesothelioma has in every mesothelioma case. They have to establish how they were exposed to asbestos. And the discussion about the ways a victim was exposed to asbestos is really just the story of that victim's life. All the things that that person did when they worked and when they were at home, if they served in the military, the jobs they had, the interactions they had, home projects they did in their house, construction projects at home, vehicles, cars that they might have worked on. Maybe they tinkered in their garage, changed brakes in cars. These are just some of many examples of how people can be exposed to asbestos during the course of their life. But what's important is, this is just the story of that person's life and all the exposures that could have happened during the course of that life. And that's what we need to do. We need to memorialize that life story. And we usually do it in the form of a deposition. And the victim's involvement is primarily in regard to that deposition and in regard to memorializing the potential exposures to asbestos that they had. But all of the other nuances of a lawsuit, the day-to-day proceedings, any dealings with the court or judge or things like that, that's what lawyers do for the victim and their family. So while a victim is really suffering through the diagnosis of mesothelioma and its aftermath, the victim shouldn't be stressed about any legal proceedings that they should get involved with, because it's really not as complex for the victim as they might think. And why am I telling you this? I'm telling you because you have questions about mesothelioma. I'm Joe Williams. I'm a mesothelioma trial attorney, and we answer these questions every day. We represent mesothelioma victims and their wives and families each and every day. And if you have questions, I invite you to contact our office, and we'll answer your questions. Thank you for watching.